How to create an NFT Discord server. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create your own NFT Discord server. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to discord.com and sign up for discord.com. We know that if you are into NFTs, if you have an NFT collection, then Discord is an important factor in that. Discord is very important in NFT community. You have to create a server where you have to create these different channels, and every NFT collection has its own Discord server. So today I am going to show you how you can create your own Discord server. So let's start with the process. It's super fun and super easy. So what you have to do is you simply open up your Discord. So on Discord you will find all of your servers right here. In here at the bottom, you will find add a server option. Click right here. So when you click on this plus icon, create a server option opens up. So we have create my own server. Then we have different templates to start from. We have gaming, school club, study, friends, artists and creators, and then we have local community. So if you want to go for a template and you want to kind of like, if you have a study group, if you want to create a gaming server, then you can simply go for a template as well. But we are going to start from the scratch and we are going to be creating our own server for our very own NFT collection. So what you have to do is simply click on create my server. For me and my friends, for a club or community. Now, this is going to be a community. This is going to be a club. This is not just you and your friends. So I will simply click on for a club or community. Customize your server. So this is the name of my server. So make sure to give the same name that you have for your collection, because we are going to be creating our NFT Discord server. So what I am going to do is I am going to give it the name that I have for my NFT collection, and that is going to be the colorful Bitcoin. There you go. This is going to be the name of my server. Now I have to upload an image. So I am going to be uploading one of the NFTs from my collection, like the image of the NFT. So simply upload it from your computer. So I have added this right here. This is the logo for my NFT collection. So this is going to be this, and simply click on create. Once you click on create, your own server will be created. There you go guys. Welcome to the colorful Bitcoin. This is my own NFT Discord server that I am going to be, customizing, and I will be able to grow my community and launch a successful NFT collection. So now there is a lot to do because we have to create different channels. We will have to do different settings, and these settings will be according to the NFT group. So let's start with different channels. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly add different text channel, and there is going to be just one voice channel because I'm not going to be creating a lot of voice channels, because on NFT we don't want, this is a huge community and I don't want a lot of voice channels, and these are all going to be very restricted in all ways. So let's add a text channel. So to add a channel, what you have to do is simply click on create channel. This is going to be a text channel. So one of the first channel that you have to create is going to be announcements. So I'm going to go ahead and create announcements. So this is going to be announcements, and this is going to be a private channel because I will be the only one and few of the other members will be the ones to make announcements. So this is going to be a private channel. So I'm going to click on next. So add individuals member by starting with, so I will add different members in here, and this is one of the private announcement groups that I wanted to create, one of the channels, and then there is going to be a public announcement channel as well. So I will simply then add one of my team members. So for now, let's just skip this step. What you have to do is you simply add your members in here. So now I have general announcements. Let's go for another one that is going to be a text channel, verification, create channel. There you go. This is also going to be a private channel, so I'm going to click on edit channel, and then we can actually do these settings later. I will actually show you. Then I'm going to add another text channel. This is going to be a launch details. Perfect. Then I'm going to add another one, and this is going to be the NFT stickers that my members will create. There you go. And then we can actually go ahead and add another one, and that is going to be the giveaways. Okay, so I am creating these channels to give you an idea that what are different channels you have to have in your NFT Discord. So I have these text channels. If you want to add a voice channel, you will simply click right here, go to voice channel, you will give it a name, and you will be able to create it. So now, in order to make your group more alive and to make it more updated, and we have to add different bots. So to add the bots, what you have to do is you have to go to top.gt. These are Discord bots that help you create a very professional and very efficient group. So what you have to do is you can add any bot you want to from here. So what I am going to do is we have me6, that is one of the very important ones. If you have an anime related group, so these are different bots that you can go for. There are actually thousands of bots available in here. How to add a bot? So let me quickly show you how you will add a bot. So it depends on you that which bot you want to go for. So for now, let's just say I want to go with a dank memer. This one is a meme board that allows you to add different items. So what I am going to do is I will invite this board to my Discord server. Simply click on invite. So when you click on invite, your Discord was open, right? So it will link it to your Discord. So create a command in the server. I am going to select a server. So this is the server that I created, right? The colorful Bitcoin. Simply click that one. Continue. Now I have all of these different options to go for. Read messages, send messages, create public threads, all of these. So this is the board. So I think I'm gonna give access to all of these and simply authorize. Once you do that, this port will be added to your server that you have. So I added this one. You can go ahead and go to top.gg and select any bot you want to, and you will be able to add that bot to your server. Make sure to add me 6. Then we have a few of the others that are really, really important. So you can also search for NFT related bots if they have, so you can just go ahead and add them as well. So it will just take a second and this bot will be added to my Discord server. So there you go. You can see now I have this bot right here, which is Dank Mirror, and that was so easy. So let me show you some of the settings that you have to do. Simply click right here. Then we have server settings. Click on server settings. In here, you will be able to find the server name, the image. So we have all of these different settings. So in here, we have roles. In roles, default permission. So you can see everyone has the permission to view the channels and to manage the channels and everything. So make sure to check all of these settings. So we have create invite, allows members to invite new people to this server. So I actually want people to invite, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Change nickname. Allow members to change their own nickname, a custom name just for this server. I don't think I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna change these settings. Then we have send messages. Allow members to send messages in text channels. So I am not going to allow people to do that. Why I did that? Because what is going to happen is I don't want everyone. There are thousands of people in your group. All of the professional NFT Discord groups, they do not allow members to send messages, only in few of the channels. That is like a general channel or maybe channel for to talk. So I am also going to uncheck this one, and I will check only one channel where people will be able to send messages. Yes, they can actually send threads, create public threads. Then we have attach files, add reactions, use external emojis. So you can check all of these different settings in here. Make sure to check each one of these and allow the permissions you want to allow. So one of these is the roles. Then if I scroll down, I will be able to show you the members. So in here, you will be able to manage different members of your, a group. Then we have enable community. Then we have invites, we have bans. This is a really important one when it comes to creating an NFT group. Then we have moderation. In here, you will be able to check out all the, moderations, that it is going to be unrestricted, it is going to be must have a verified email. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, low, and then we have don't scan any media content. Okay, so these are the few settings that you have to keep in mind. Once you do that, then it depends on you how you want to customize your Discord server. Go ahead and send invites to different people, and the more you will use it, the more you will get into your server, then you will be able to manage it better, and you will be able to kind of like create a very professional and very fun server for your NFT collection. The more people will have, of course, then you will get an idea that how the server works. There's going to be a huge community, people message, and you can do giveaways, and you can do much more with your Discord group. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a Discord server. This was a beginner's tutorial for the people who want to create an NFT related Discord server, and or a general server as well. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.